welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about pie chart in Matplotlib library in Python. How to draw the pie chart in Matplotlib library in Python we have to discuss in this video. To draw the pie chart using Matplotlib library, first of all, we have to install the Matplotlib library. Without installing the Matplotlib library, we have to use Google Colapse. So, Google Colapse is used for draw the pie chart in Matplotlib library without installing the Matplotlib library. Okay. Now we have to create the pie chart. First we have to write the statement import Matplotlib. So click on this one. Here we have successfully importing the Matplotlib library. Next one, import NumPy. Import NumPy library. So click on this button. Yes, both Matplotlib library and NumPy library are imported by using import statement. From the Matplotlib library, we have to import pyplot module. This pyplot module is used for draw the charts. Hence, we have to import the pyplot module in Matplotlib library. Import Matplotlib dot pyplot. Here pyplot is the module in Matplotlib library. Pyplot is used for draw the charts that are used in Matplotlib library. So simply click on this button. Yes, it is successfully imported. Now we have to draw the alternative name for matplotlib.pyplot. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Here PLT is the alternative name for matplotlib.pyplot. So PLT is the alias. Alias is nothing but alternative name for matplotlib.pyplot. So click on this button. Yes, it is successfully imported. Next, create the alternative name for NumPy. So import NumPy as NP. So NP is the alternative name for NumPy library. PLT is the alternative name for matplotlib.pyplot. Click on this button. Yes, it is successfully executed. Now we have to draw the pie chart. First we have to import matplotlib.pyplot. Next we have to import NumPy. So import matplotlib.pyplot pyplot as plt. Next, import numpy as np. Next, y is equal to np dot array so 30, 45, 65 and 75. Next, we have to use the pie function to draw the pie chart. So plt dot pie of y-axis. Next, to show the pie chart, we have to use show function plt dot show. Okay, so these 5 lines are used for draw the pie chart. Okay, here plt is the alias name for matplotlib.pyplot. Next, np is the alias name for numpy. Next, we have to create the y-axis with the values 30, 45, 65, 75. Here we have to use the pie function to draw the pie chart. Next one, to show the pie chart, we have to use the show function. Okay, now click on this button. Yes, we are getting the pie chart. Okay, pie chart starts here. This is 30 and this is 45 and this is 65 and this is 75. Okay, so this is the simple pie chart. Okay, now we have to add the labels to the pie chart using label parameter. So the label parameter must be an array with one label for each wedge. So this is one wedge and this is another wedge, this is another wedge, this is another wedge. How many number of wedges are there? 4 wedges are there. Okay, for 30 this is the wedge, for 45 this is the wedge, for 65 this is the wedge, for 75 this is the wedge. For each and every wedge we have to give the label. So label parameter we have to use to give the label for each wedge in pie chart. So the label parameter should be an array with one label for each wedge. Now we have to give the labels for each and every wedge in pie chart. Import Matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Import numpy as np. We have to take either x-axis or y-axis, there is no problem at all. Y is equal to np dot array we have to give values 30, 45, 65, 75. whatever the values that are given previously, the same values we are giving. Next one, here my labels. Here I am giving my labels. My labels is equal to, within the square bracket we have to give the labels. How many number of values are present in this y-axis? 4 values are there. For each and every value we are giving one label. So here I am giving the label is C. Next one, another label is C++. Next one, another label is Java. Next, another label is Python. Okay, the labels are separated by the comma. Okay, next one is plt dot py. We have to draw the pie chart by using y-axis, comma, labels is equal to my labels. My labels. Next one, plt dot show. We are getting the labels for each and every wedge. The first label is a C, the next label is a C++, the next label is Java, the next label is Python. Okay, so this label name is C, this label name is C++, this label name is Java, this label name is Python. We have to run it by using this button. See this one? Yes, we are getting, this is a C, this is a C++, this is a Java, and this is a Python. Okay, how many number of wedges are there? 4 wedges. So this is one wedge, this is another edge, this is another edge, and this is another edge. We have to write capital letters also. Here I am writing capital C, capital C++. We have to write Java in capitals. Next, we have to write Python in capital. Again, we have to run it. Yes, we are getting this one. Okay. Next one is, here the start angle. Start angle, here the first label is C. C, the label C wedge starts with 0 degrees. Here this is a 0 degrees. Okay, we are also start the start angle also. Okay, here the default start angle is the x-axis, but we can change the start angle by specifying a start angle parameter. Okay, whenever we are specifying the start angle parameter, the first wedge starts with that start angle. Okay, now we have to write the code for that one. Okay, so this is the code for start angle. The default start angle is x-axis. So here we are starting with, from this point, this is a 0 degrees. Okay, up to completed it is comes to again 0 degrees, total 360 degrees. Okay, now import Matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Next, import numpy as np. We have to use either x-axis or y-axis, no problem at all. X is equal to np dot array. We have to give any number of values, no problem. I am giving 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. We are giving 5 values on the x-axis. There are 5 wedges are present in the pie chart. Okay. Next one, we are giving labels for each and every wedge. My labels is equal to, within the square bracket, we have to give labels. The labels are, again I am giving C, comma, now C++, comma, within the double quotes I am giving Java. Next I am giving Python, AWS, Amazon Web Services. Next one, plt dot pie function we have to use to draw the pie chart by using the above axis x, comma, here labels is equal to my labels, comma, start angle is equal to 90 degrees. Start angle is equal to 90 degrees. Next, plt dot show. So the first wedge is C. Okay. So the first wedge starts from 90 degrees. In the previous figure, the first wedge starts from 0 degrees. Here we have to use start angle is equal to 90 degrees. So we have to draw the pie chart from 90 degrees onwards. Okay. We are not giving any start angle value. So by default, it can take from 0 degrees. The first wedge starts from 0 degrees. Whenever we are giving start angle is equal to 90, the first wedge starts from 90 degrees. So click on this button. The code is executed. So the pie chart is here. So here from 90 degrees, the first wedge is started. The first wedge label is C. The next wedge label is C++. That is 35. The next wedge label is Java. The next wedge label is Python. The next wedge label is AWS, because start angle is equal to 90 degrees. In the previous figure, we are not using any start angle. By default, start angle starts from 0 degrees. Whenever we are giving start angle is equal to 90 degrees, so the first wedge starts from 90 degrees. Okay. Suppose the start angle value is equal to 135 degrees. How this pie chart can be changed? So see this one, click on this button. Here the start wedge starting from 135 degrees. So wedge label C starts from 135 degrees. after that C++ Wedge, after that Java Wedge, after that Python Wedge, after that AWS Wedge. So whenever we are giving the start angle value, from that onwards the first wedge is started. Okay, this is the start angle parameter. Next one is we have to exclude only one wedge from the pie chart. For that purpose, we have to use explode parameter. Okay, so by using explode parameter, we want one of the wedges to stand out. For that purpose, we have to use explode parameter. The explode parameter allows we do that each value represents how far from the center each wedge is displayed. Okay, so explode function is used for separating the wedge from the center of the pie chart. For that purpose, we have to use explode parameter. That means we have to pull any wedge from the center of the pie chart. For that purpose, we have to use explode parameter. Now, import Matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Import numpy as NP. Now I am giving y is equal to np dot array. I am giving the values. I am changing the values. Here I am giving apple. Next, banana. Next, orange. Next, line dates. So I am giving four values. Okay, on the y axis. Here we have to use parenthesis. Next one. Here we have to write my explode. My explode is equal to we have to pull the apple's wedge from the center of the pie chart. For that one, we have to write the value 0.2 at apple edge. Okay, apple wedge. The remaining no change. We have to write 0, 0. Okay, 4 labels are there. So for each and every label, we have to write one value. Okay, here we have to pull apple wedge from the center of the pie chart. Next one is PLT dot pie. On which axis we have to draw the pie chart? Y, comma, here we have to, this is my labels, sorry, my labels, my labels is equal to this one. Labels are apple, banana, orange, line dates. Before this line, we have to write y is equal to np dot array. Here we have to give values. So 35, 45, 55, 65. Okay. So 35 belongs to apple label, 45 belongs to banana, 55 belongs to orange, 65 belongs to line dates. Here line date spelling this one. Next here we have to write labels is equal to my labels, comma, explode is equal to my explode. My explode. So after that we have to write plt dot show function. This function is used for show the pie chart. Okay. So click on this button. We are getting this pie chart. Here we have to pull the apple wedge from the center of the pie chart because we are giving the explode parameter value is 0.2, 0.2 corresponding to apple wedge. We have to pull the apple wedge from the center of the pie chart by explode parameter value is 0.2. Suppose we have to pull both apple and banana. Here its value banana explode value is 0.5. At that time again we have to run this button. So here we have to pull the banana wedge from the center of the pie chart with the explode value is 0.5. Okay. Now this value I am giving 0. Okay. Last we have to pull line dates wedge from the center of the pie chart by using explode value 0.2. Again we have to run it. So both apple and line dates wedges are explode from the center of the pie chart. Okay. Now we are also removing line dates explode value 0. So we have to again run it. So this is the explode parameter value. Okay, explode parameter value we are given for apple wedge is 0.2. We have to separate the apple wedge from the center of the pie chart with the explode value 0.2. Okay. Next we have to use shadow parameter. Okay, shadow parameter is used by setting the shadows for each and every wedge. Okay, so shadows to provide the shadows for each and every wedge, we have to use shadow parameter. Its value is true. Okay. How to provide the shadows for each and every wedge? For that purpose, we have to use shadow parameter. If shadow parameter value is equal to true, we are giving the shadows for each and every wedge. If shadows parameter value is equal to false, we are not providing any shadows to each and every wedge. Okay. Now import Matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Next, import numpy as NP. Next, x is equal to np dot array. Within the parenthesis, within the square bracket, we are giving the values. So 45, 55, 65, 75, and also we are giving 85. Next, we are giving labels for each and every value on the x-axis. So my labels is equal to, labels are given within the square bracket and within the double quotes that are separated by the commas. Okay, here I am giving new labels: railway. Next, roads. How many number of labels we are given? 5 labels we are given, because in the x-axis 5 values are given, so that we are giving 5 labels. Health, next one research, another label excise, police. So these are the 5 labels. Next one, plt dot py of x-axis, comma, labels is equal to my labels. Labels is equal to my labels, comma, shadow is equal to true. Shadow is equal to true. After that, we have to write plt dot show for displaying the pie chart. So click on this button. The code is executed. Yes, we are getting the pie chart. Okay, so please see this one. So shadow is given. Okay, shadow is given. And here we are also explode value also. Here my explode is equal to, within the square bracket we are giving 0.2 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. Here we have to write comma explode is equal to my explode. Explode is equal to my explode. So click on this code. The code is executed. See this one. For a railway, the wedge is separated with the explode value is 0.2. So see this one, some shadow is there. For research, shadow is appear. For railway is also shadow is appear. Okay. Next one is, we have to set a color for each and every wedge. Okay, so here these are the default colors. We are also giving colors for each and every wedge also. How to give colors for each and every wedge? For that purpose we have to use colors parameter. The colors parameter must be an array with one value for each wedge. How to give the color for each and every wedge? For that purpose we have to use color parameter. Color parameter should be an array. We have to give one color for each and every wedge. So import Matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Import numpy as np. Here x is equal to np dot array. We are giving the values within the parentheses, within the square brackets. I am giving 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Next, my labels is equal to, within the square bracket I am giving railway, next one roads, next one health, next one research, next one police. So we are giving the labels and we are giving the my colors. My colors is equal to, within the square brackets we have to use gray color, next black color, next white color, next one is red color, next one is yellow color, next one plt dot py, which access name is x, comma labels is equal to my labels, comma colors is equal to my colors. So here color spelling is COLOR. Okay, next one is, here we have to write spelling mistake, COLOR. Colors is equal to my colors. Next one plt dot show. So click on this button, the code is executed. So here one error we are getting, labels is equal to my labels, colors is equal to my colors. What is the error we are getting? So gray, Grey. Again we have to run it. Yes, we are getting this one. Here white color is not shown. So here I am writing the color is hot pink. Hot pink. Again we have to run it. Yes, see this one. First one is railway. Railway label with grey color. Roads with black color. And health is hot pink color. Research is red color. And police with yellow color. Okay, we have to assign color for each and every wedge by using colors parameter. So colors parameter should be an array. We are providing color for each and every wedge. Okay. Next one is to add a list of explanation for each and every wedge. We have to use the legend function. Okay, we have to provide the explanation for each and every wedge. For that purpose, we have to use legend function. Okay, so legend function is mainly used for providing the title for the pie chart. Okay, here up to now we are not providing any title for pie chart. So for that purpose we have to use legend function. In that legend function we have to provide the title for the pie chart. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, import numpy as np. Next, y is equal to np dot array. Within the parenthesis we are giving the values. So 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Next we are giving the labels. My labels is equal to within the square bracket. Now I am changing the label names. Label names are subject names. I am giving DA, SE, CO, DBMS, Java. These are the my labels. Next one, my colors. My colors is equal to within the square bracket I am giving hot pink, red, blue, green, yellow. These are the my colors. Next one, we have to plot the pie chart. Plt dot pie. On which axis we have to plot the pie chart? Y axis, comma, labels is equal to my labels, comma, colors is equal to my colors. Next, plt dot legend. Legend function is used for providing the title. Within the legend function, we are giving the title. Title is equal to courses, BTech courses, BTech courses. This is the title. Next one is plt.show. Now click on this button, the code is executed. So see this one, this is a BTech courses. Okay, first one is a DA with the hot pink color. Next one is SE with the red color, CO with the blue color, DBMS with the green color, and Java with the yellow color. Okay, here we are getting this one. Okay, so this is the introduction about the pie chart, how to draw the pie chart. Okay, so to draw the pie chart, we have to use pie function. Okay, this pie function is mainly used for draw the pie chart. Okay, to draw the pie chart, in addition to the pie function, we have to import the pie plot module in Matplotlib library, and also we have to import the NumPy library also. Okay, so this is the description about how to draw the pie chart using Matplotlib library. In that Matplotlib library, we have to use the module called pie plot module to draw the pie chart. So thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. Please click on the like button and click on the bell icon to get the future updates in my YouTube channel, DIVVELA SRINIVASA. Please see the previous video, Introduction to Matplotlib library in Python, for better understanding of this video. Thank you one and all for watching this video.